classes is homework help with page 105 and 106 tonight. So we're going to start by reading the example. This shows a temperature in a city throughout the day. So it shows the temperature starts here, it increases the beginning of the day, constant during the middle of the day, and then it decreases. Number 1 says explain how the graph in the example shows that the temperature increases at the beginning of the day. And what do you know about the slope of this line? So we're talking about this part of the graph right here, and you would say something about it has a positive slope. And we know that in the beginning of the day because time is early on in the graph here, so that would be the beginning of the day. So something about positive slope and it's increasing here would work. Number 2, explain how the graph in the example shows that the temperature is constant. So here's the second part that they're talking about. And we would say we know it's constant because it has a slope that's equal to 0, meaning the temperature is not going up or down. Okay? I'm going to scroll to the next 2. So here's question number 3 and question number 4. So in question 3, it shows the speed of a car over time. So here's the car driving at a constant speed, it decreases, and then it's asking specifically about section C. Well, if the speed down here is at 0, that means that the car is stopped. So the speed would equal 0, that means the car stopped here, maybe for a traffic light or something. Guys, on the next one here, notice that it's speed of the roller coaster. When the first time I looked at this, I was thinking distance of the roller coaster. Not true. So careful, it's speed. So the uphill means not that it's going uphill, it means that the roller coaster is getting faster because the speed's increasing. So this would be a 0 speed, and it starts at 0. So it would start at 0 to let people on the roller coaster, and then the speed increases. So then you'd say speed increases. I'm just going to draw an up arrow here. So it increases as it's going probably downhill, okay, or picking up speed. So speed increases, and then the speed decreases a little bit, maybe because the roller coaster is climbing. So then we would say speed decreases. And then again, the speed is increasing, so maybe it's going down a hill again. So it's a pretty big increase here. So one more time, speed goes up. It's a positive slope, you could say. And then the last part, the speed is decreasing, so a gradual decrease. And I'm going to abbreviate here, gradual decrease, and then eventually to a stop. And then it lets more people on. So be careful of your labels here. Speed is the big part you needed to notice here. Okay, hopefully this is helpful, guys.